Hey, Rob ViewSonic. Today we're going to take a look at the PX701HD projector. Right? So this is the box you'll get it in. We're going to open it up, and inside we're going to find a quick start guide. Keep that handy. You never know when you need it. You'll find a VGA cable, as well as a power cable, and your remote control, as well as, of course, your projector. I'll take off the protective padding here and give you a look at all these things. I'll handle everything with care, of course, that goes without saying. But there we are. There's our beautiful PX701HD. Now, on the bottom, you find your adjuster foot for height adjustment. In the front here, we'll have a focus ring and our zoom ring. On top, menu, keypad. Of course, in the back, we'll have our I/O ports, 2 HDMI, a couple VGAs, as well as a USB Type A for service. And in a bit, we're going to get all this connected, unpackaged, and show you how it works. Welcome back. Since we were gone, we went ahead and made our connections with our power cable and VGA over here to the laptop. Okay. Now we're going to turn it on. I can either use the remote or the key on top. I'm going to use the key on top, hit the power button, and now it's fully on. So I'm going to select English. But first, I'm going to adjust the focus a bit. It's not 100% clear for me. There we go. That's about right. Now it's your turn to get set up. Thank you for watching.